Ready? Start. The appellate court set aside the fine imposed upon the petitioner but maintained the compensation awarded to the LRs of the deceased and further directed that in case of non-payment of the compensation, the appellant, petitioner herein, shall have to suffer additional simple imprisonment for 6 months. Stop. The relevant facts leading to the prosecution and trial of the petitioner and accused have been noticed by the learned trial court in para 2 of the judgment and the same is reproduced. Stop. On 22/10/1997, deceased had boarded Blue Line bus which was being driven by the accused Amrinder Singh. Stop. At about 11 am, the bus reached at Bhagat Singh Road and after crossing the red light, the bus stopped on zebra crossing due to traffic. Stop. Salman Khan started getting down from the bus from the front gate and before he could completely alight from the bus, the accused moved his bus all of a sudden and the said person fell down on the road from the bus and the left rear wheel of the bus rolled over him. Stop. On noise being raised by the passengers, the bus was stopped and the driver ran away from the spot. Stop. The injured was removed to the hospital. Stop. On the complaint of Chandrapal Singh, who was on duty as ASI in traffic police, FIR was registered and accused was arrested. Stop. The accused was arrested next day after being produced by the owner of the bus. Stop. The learned trial court, after examining the evidence of 2 eyewitnesses, namely Constable Deepak Singh and Constable Yash Kumar, and accepting the same to be fully trustworthy, held the petitioner guilty for having caused the death of the deceased Salman Khan. Stop. In the appeal filed by the petitioner, the appellate court, after reappraisal of the prosecution evidence, also accepted the evidence of these 2 eyewitnesses to be reliable and after rejecting the grounds of challenge put forth on behalf of the appellant, affirmed the conviction of the petitioner but order for payment of fine by the petitioner for his conviction under section 279 IPC was set aside since compensation had been awarded. Stop. On behalf of the petitioner, learned senior counsel has submitted that the case really being one of no evidence regarding rash and negligent driving of the bus by the petitioner, this court would be justified in exercising the revisional jurisdiction and interfering with the decisions of the courts below. Stop. He also submitted that merely on the basis of evidence of the so-called to eyewitnesses, it does not stand established that the accused was driving the bus involved in the accident, much less in a rash and negligent manner. Full stop.